my creativity using a pickaxe and shovel for the 300-foot distance. Again, I used PEX C and shark bite. I know a lot of people would be like, oh gosh, don't do that, because what if it comes loose? Well, it's outside and it's a main, and I've marked every location of where the shark bites are. So that would be at the front, seen here at the front. Then it would be down here at the hydrant with a T, seen here in the frost freeze. Safe. The line goes out around, down, and up towards the road. Again, that's about 300 foot. What you won't see in this night video here is there's a tree here, shown in the photos, here, and here, and here. With that being said, it was a lot of hard work. I got one day off. The family, my wife, and children decided they wanted to try to help me out. So they got me, I say a good 20 and 30 foot in one day while I was in the office for work. Now, most of the time, it seems as though I'm doing a lot of the work by myself. And that makes my wife feel a little uneasy. Because she likes being able to help and wants to make sure that I'm not trying to do it all on my own. The update, folks. There you have it. God bless. See you on the next. Okay, everybody, we're about to do the hookup for the water line that we've done. Hopefully everything goes well. It showed well from the hydrant running out. We're now about to hook it up to the camper and test it on the inside to see how that goes. Stand by. On here, get you connected to the camper. It's a little hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. Maybe I can pause you just a second while I get it done, because there's no way I can do it with just one hand. Hold tight. Okay, now we've got it all connected here at the camper side. Go all the way around. Cover it up, because you know how things can roll over your connections, and in between that connection is a filter. So we've got the hose double connected, going all the way up here. We're going to connect it here to the hydrant. Make things so much easier whenever it comes to drinking water, bathing water, dishing, all the things that are required whenever you have human beings living there. So, all right, we've got a good solid connection, no spraying out. Let's have Sabrina test it out on the inside, see how it goes. Well, I said I was going to have Sabrina do it, but I'm going to try it myself, see how it goes. So, let me flip you around. All right. Air coming through the line to be expected.
call that a success. Thank you everyone for following along. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.